So what are the big themes likely to happen over the next few years? So following the pandemic, we think that healthcare is going to be increasingly taking a share of our wallet, whether it's for preventative medicines or just really kind of making us more healthy. So we think the pharma sector, even though it's had a great run, still has a long way to go going forward. I think the other tailwinds to come through are going to be, once a vaccine, has been established, then India will play a big role in the manufacturing of those vaccines going forward. And I think this will put the pharma industry in India back on the global map, which has probably been missing since the early days of generics and the great rise of Indian pharma then. I think the second tailwind for generic companies in particular will be that I think pricing power will come back for the first time. And that will obviously help the top line increasingly going forward. And you could see some of the margins that they enjoyed back in the kind of mid-2000s starting to come back around the 25-26% level. And given they've done a lot of cost cutting over the past few years, all of this helps in the operational gearing for each of the companies. So we think that's going to be a significant tailwind. We think also the fallout of China-US relationships could also benefit the pharma industry, where maybe a lot of the multinationals which have set up base in China will again look to India as probably a diversification away from the China operations, and that could lead either to M&A or setting up bases in India. So we think the overall likelihood is that the pharma industry will see a lot more investment going forward, particularly after the pandemic and a vaccine is found going forward. So I think these are the kind of catalysts which we feel could help the pharma industry over the next 1 to 2 years. And with that, even though valuations remain elevated, I don't think it takes into account really the kind of leverage that we'll see from better pricing, lower costs, and obviously a more focus on building a sustainable long-term business.